Want to learn Python quickly? Let's dive in. Many newcomers struggle with coding concepts. Overwhelmed by programming languages? Meet Python in 60 seconds. A quick guide that makes Python easy and fun. With Python in 60 seconds, you'll write code, automate tasks, and build projects effortlessly. How it works. With Python in 60 seconds, coding is simple. Start with basic syntax and commands. Practice with hands-on examples. Explore libraries for advanced projects. With Python, coding is accessible. We simplify complex programming concepts. When you use Python in 60 seconds, you gain advantages like learn with clear, concise lessons, interactive coding exercises for better understanding, community support for all your questions. What our users say. Sounds exciting? Python in 60 seconds. Join now and start your coding journey. Subscribe.